plug me in. Why is the way we love these days so old and complicated? Let's go online shopping for an app that's more updated. Download some viral sweet affection, you'll be amazed. Our new version of love, a global craze. Well, I'm really liking what I hear. This new way of loving is a great idea. I'll get my friends to come along, wearing short dresses, high heels, singing a song. La 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 la. You might see pushing on my buttons is a hyperlink to me. Ecstatically connected on our chugga-lubba train, as we chugga-love our way around the world and back again. Now if you think you've heard this love story before, just hang in there, cause there's one thing for sure. We're transmitting love and we just can't stop. Pushing on your button, plugging into K-pop. Well, I'm really liking what I hear. This new way of loving is a great idea. I'll get my friends to come along, wearing short dresses, high heels, singing a song. La 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 la. You might see pushing on my buttons is a hyperlink to me. Ecstatically connected on our chugga-lubba train, as we chugga-love our way around the world and back again. So if you lacking loving, how's about you push my button? Eat me up like you a glutton. Open shop and never shutting. La 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 la. You might see pushing on my buttons is a hyperlink to me. Ecstatically connected on our chugga-lubba train, as we chugga-love our way around the world and